Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the power supply unit, identify and unlatch the right side cover. Lift the cover off the device. Find and unlatch the PSU hinge. Move the tabs to the unlocked position and lift the hinge to open it. Identify the processor fan and heatsink assembly. Disconnect the cables and loosen the 4 captive screws in order. Lift the assembly out of the system. Find the power supply unit and disconnect the cables. Flip the PSU hinge down and unplug the 3 cables. Remove the 2 screws and the latch. Remove the 4 screws and lift the unit out of the system. To reinstall the PSU, place it back in the assembly and install the 4 screws. Relatch it and install the 2 screws to secure it. Flip the hinge up and reconnect the cables. Place the processor fan and heatsink assembly in the system and tighten the 4 captive screws in reverse order. Reconnect the cables. Push the PSU hinge down to close it and move the tabs to the locked position. Relatch the right side cover to the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.